Hi guys, welcome to Gold Price Daily Analysis. Today is Wednesday, 20th of March 2019. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember, always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. We are going to start our core analysis right after a quick recap. In our last episode, we were waiting for economic headers to be released. We got them today. We have with us from the United States the factory orders, which came below forecasts. Also, as a reminder, on our last episode on Friday, we have issued a trading signal to buy the gold at 1,302 with a stop loss of 1,288 and the target of 1,321. As a reminder, this signal is still active and opened. Moving on to the economic calendar for Wednesday, we are waiting actually a big day ahead of us. Let's start with the United Kingdom. We are waiting for the PPI input month to month and CPI month to month, and also we are waiting for the CPI year to year for February and the CPI industrial trends. As you see, we have labeled them as market movers. We do expect some volatility around once these headers are released. Moving on to German. With medium importance, we are waiting for the German PPI month to month for February and the German PPI year to year for February. Moving on to the United States, the center of our attention for tomorrow, we have three very important headers: the Fed interest rate decision and the FOMC economic projections and the FOMC statement, plus the press conference. It's surely market movers and it's going to see some volatility around once those headers are released. Let's move on to the technical analysis. On the last trading session Tuesday, we got the trading range from 1,303 to 1,310.11. Numbers are rounded, the market is still open. We expect the gold to close around 1,307 or little up. For the moving averages, we have the 20 days at 1,308, and for the 50 days at 1,304, and for the 100 days at 1,272, and for the 200 days at 1,239. You see, we are above the 50 days, 100 days, 200 days daily simple moving averages. The RSI 1 hour is 55 in the favor of the bulls, and the RSI 4 hours is 58 in the favor of the bulls, and the RSI 1 day is 52 in the favor of the bulls. We are in a very good bullish setup. We expect more to the upside, hopefully by tomorrow. For the supports and the resistance, supports are located at 1,302 and 1,296 and 1,292. For the resistance are located at 1,311, 1,315 and 1,322. This is all for the technical indicators. We'll move on to the strategy. The trading strategy, the trend is bullish, the price action is positive. We are under the 20 days daily simple moving average around 1,308. The US dollar is under pressure, and our advice to you is to stay in the buy side. Any drop in the gold price, we consider it as an opportunity to enter the market as a buyer with a target of 1,321 and a stop loss of 1,288. We do explain also the price action of the gold in the last few sessions is a part of an accumulation process. That's why we expect the gold price may spike and move to trade on another level of a price, above 1,315, and we do expect this to take place before the release of the Fed interest rate decision and the FOMC statement. What do we expect from the Fed tomorrow? We don't expect the Fed is going to increase the interest rate. This is not expected by any of the analysts. And we also expect the Fed to continue speaking in a dovish or negative way about the economic conditions, considering the last data released. That's all for today. Please guys share, like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow in another video.